Leetcode daily challenge. Question 3546. Equal sum grade partition number 1. This is a medium problem. This problem is asking us to check if the summation of the two sections after we split this original grade into two are equal. So the solution for this one is pretty straightforward. First of all, we can easily get the summation of this whole grade, which is 12. And we can prepare two things. One is summation of each row, which is 5 and 5. And of course, we can also prepare summation of each column, which is 3 and 7. So the real checking will be the step number 4 to see if any section would be half of this total, which is 6. Sorry, my bad. The summation of this grade is 10, so 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we want to check if any section, the summation of any section is 5. Obviously, this 5, this is 5. Then it will be true. But anyway, these will be the 4 steps we're gonna solve this problem.